Ever wondered how to make money on TikTok with a new account? Well, pull up a chair and get comfortable, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start earning on TikTok, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Create a TikTok account. It's as simple as downloading the app and signing up. Choose a catchy username that's easy to remember, and make sure your profile picture and bio are interesting and reflect what you're about. Now on to step 2. Understand the platform. TikTok thrives on trends, catchy music, and creative content. Spend some time exploring the app, see what's popular, and think about how you can incorporate these trends into your own content. The third step, create engaging content. This is the heart of TikTok. Your content needs to be original, entertaining, and engaging. Consistency is key here. The more content you produce, the more chances you have of getting noticed. Step 4, build a following. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, and follow other users who share similar interests. Remember, the larger your following, the more opportunities you have to make money. Now, we're on to the fun part. Step 5. Monetize your account. There are several ways to do this. You can join the TikTok Creator Fund, which pays creators for their views. You can also make money through brand partnerships and sponsored posts. Alternatively, you can use TikTok's live feature to receive virtual gifts from your followers, which can be converted into cash. Finally, step 6, be patient and persistent. Success on TikTok doesn't happen overnight. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep an eye on trends. With time and effort, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. So, to recap: 1. Create a TikTok account. 1. Understand the platform and its trends. 1. Create engaging and consistent content. 4. Build a following. 1. Monetize your account through the Creator Fund, brand partnerships, or live gifts. 1. Be patient and persistent. Remember, TikTok is not just about making money. It's about expressing yourself and connecting with a community. So keep it fun, keep it original, and the rest will follow. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money on TikTok with a new account. It's time to take these tools, get creative, and start your TikTok journey. Good luck.